continue to sell more chicken tenders, french fries, and pizza than anything on this campus. That's been the trend for 25 years. But we have noticed a need and a voice for some more healthier options.
The majority of students aren't eating even one serving of fruits or vegetables in a day. Male and female college students consume more than 30% of their calories from fat on average. Students bound to campus dining services by meal plans or convenience find themselves faced with a poor variety of fruits and vegetables provided by schools that are strapped for cash.
Many students prefer the quick-to-grab fried foods, like sophomore Sam Baguki.
And even though we all love variety, I know that I'm like a person of habit, so I'm good coming and getting Chick-fil-A a couple times a week or something like that.
Food insecurity, or the limited or uncertain availability of nutritionally adequate and safe food, can lower a students' academic performance and can actually lead to a lower grade point average. This means that having an inadequate diet directly affects students' grades and therefore the reputation of the institution. Schools should have an interest in their students' diets and overall health for this reason.
Food and beverage purchases from college campuses are related to poor dietary choices. The study examined one community college and one university in Twin Cities, Minnesota, where the participants recorded and reported their dietary choices and purchases on campus. The results from the study show that about 45% of students bought food and beverages from campus more than 3 times per week. Higher campus purchases were associated with higher fat and sugar intake and lower breakfast consumption.
Do you, in general, like the food on campus?
Yeah, I think it's okay. I'm not really a big fan of the dining halls, but besides that, it's okay.
Do you think there's enough healthy options available to you?
There are some options, like the CFA Cafe, but most of those places really aren't open when you need them to be open, so that leaves you with unhealthy choices.
Do you have any suggestions or things that you would want to see in the dining halls and cafes on campus?
Definitely better hours for the healthy places that already do exist, and maybe adding some more healthy organic options into the places that already exist, such as the dining halls.
It'd be beneficial for the campus to have more smaller cafes that offer like fresh salads, sandwiches, wraps, just easy, quick things kids can get.
In many college settings, the food made available to students can have a negative effect on dietary choices during and after college. In most cases, there's not much transparency between the student body and campus dining services, thus the students are unaware of the food's origin and nutrition.
Now, the goal of this challenge is to shift college dining from unhealthier processed foods towards more healthy, organic, and locally produced real food. There's a lot of groups behind this commitment, starting with student groups right here on campus. There's a group of over 30 farmers working together and combining resources to provide fresh produce and farm products locally. The people behind this program tell me it's a win-win for both the university and local businesses. And now with GU stepping forward to become the first to take on this commitment, there's now a model for others to follow in the future. Gonzaga's goal of completing the challenge is to have 25% of the food on campus follow those 4 standards: local, fair, ecological, and humane.
Ongoing education about healthy food choices on campuses, paired with more transparency between food providers and consumers, can help diminish poor health in college students due to bad diets. Ongoing efforts such as these can help put value on the health of students at Towson and other universities like it.